Want this? Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how I created this high quality look for my edits. First, prepare your clips. I already changed my clip FPS to 120 using flow frames. I already made a tutorial about that, so you can go and watch it. Now I'm going to change my composition settings. You can copy mine. After that, I'll do the face tracking. I will make a separate tutorial about face tracking too. When the clip is done, pre-compose it. And now create a new adjustment layer because first we need to add some sharpness. Now copy my settings. This step is important because we are going to use Topaz first before CC and then again after CC. When it's done, render it with lossless settings. After rendering, open Topaz Video AI. I am using version 2.6.4 for my quality settings. Now import your clip and copy my settings. When it's done, go back to After Effects and import your Topaz clip. Now I'll create a new adjustment layer and create a high quality color correction. You can copy my settings. I will add a download link for this CC in the description after this tutorial hits 100 likes. Now we render it again with lossless settings because we are going to do our after CC Topaz settings. Now import that clip into Topaz and copy my settings. Topaz creates very large file sizes. So to reduce the file size, we use Handbrake. I will also make another tutorial about my Handbrake settings so you can upload your videos on YouTube without losing quality. And that's it. This is my full quality workflow for edits. First, we added sharpness. Then we used Topaz before CC. After that, we created the color correction. And then we used Topaz again after CC for the final quality. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more editing tutorials.